Here comes Midge. I've been clicking and clicking and clicking because the kitties were all scared away by kids playing nearby. And you know how kids play. The more fun they're having, the more screaming they do. Oh, there was no cats here. And finally some have started to come out, and it's important to me that they get wet food, water, and chow today. They may not be able to get out tomorrow, sounding like they won't be able to. But finally, Beastie came over. See, here's one of the houses that I buttoned up. Here's our Beastie. Hi, sweetie heart. So I hope, other than putting the house on stilts, I've done everything I can do this week. Somehow I feel like I haven't. That's just me. Mr. Scouty's making sure his tummy's full. And Miss Party too. Right, Miss Parties? Yeah. Yeah. Midge. Hello, Angel. Beastie, you need some Moa? I'll get you one. Let me get Beastie another bowl. I want these guys full. Full, full, full. And if they eat the wet food, they're getting some water content. Right, Miss Party? Hey, Mr. Scoot Scoot. There's Lucy. Get up here, Luce. Come on, honey. Come on, baby. Come on. Let me get some more bowls out. Miss Party is eating. Dana and Midge had some. I know Midge had some. I know Scout had some. Dana, I hope you had some, honey. Lucy finally came. Beastie. Hi, Beasties. You guys all be so careful, okay? I know, you're much smarter than I am about this stuff. I know. See you as soon as I can.